Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's something a lot of RAM owners ask when their screen starts acting up. How do you restart your Uconnect system without losing all your settings? If your screen is frozen, glitching, or Bluetooth isn't connecting properly, the first thing to try is a soft reset. Think of this as restarting your phone. It clears temporary glitches but doesn't erase your profiles or settings. On most RAM's trucks, you can do this by pressing and holding the volume knob and the tuning knob at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. The screen should go black and then reboot. Once it comes back on, everything like your radio presets, paired phones, and profile should still be there. Now, that's different from a hard reset, which is basically a factory reset. This wipes the system and resets it back to how it was when the truck left the factory. That means profiles, phone pairings, and settings getting erased. So it's usually not the first thing you want to try. A soft reset fixes a lot of common issues, things like Bluetooth pairing problems, screen freezes, lagging menus, or CarPlay and Android Auto glitches. But if the system keeps freezing, rebooting constantly, or certain features stop working even after a reset, that's when it might be time to book a proper diagnosis. Sometimes there can be a software update needed or even a hardware issue with the radio module or the screen. So the quick rule is start with a soft reset, see if the system behaves normally again, and only consider a factory reset or diagnostic if the problem keeps coming back. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a shout at 780-942-3629.